So we're going to go through a neck bridge series. So in this series, we're going to go through some different variations you can use for the front neck bridge, which is typically the harder of the two bridges, and the technique that we're going to use for the back neck bridge. So what we're going to need for this, first of all, is a bench that's going to be set up at the right sort of height, so that when we're knelt down with our head in the bench, we can lift our knees just slightly off the floor and be in almost a bear crawl position with the head supported. So from this first position, what we're going to go through is the hand-supported neck bridge. So what this simply means is that we're going to be using the hands fully on the floor here to support body weight. And to try and progress through this drill, all we're going to do is slowly remove the support. So we're going to start off with the hand-supported drill. Going from there, we're going to go into a fingertip-supported drill, where the hands are just going to be on the fingertips, and we're going to put more weight through the neck and less load through the arms. From there, we're going to go for finger pulses, where we're going to take the hands off momentarily. And what we want to look to do is maintain the position that we can see here. So what we want to see is, as with all neck drills, chin tucked, head in neutral. And we want to make sure that we've got a nice straight posture with the head. So what we don't want to see is the shoulders sagging down, because that would insinuate that we're not putting much load through the neck. We want to see the neck muscles in neutral posture. And so what we can sort of see here is that they are in that neutral posture. What we don't want to see is a massive divot in the neck. So we don't want the head to be raised. So we don't want a long big crane of the neck here. So going through then, obviously we have the hand pulses. And then moving on from there, we'll go into a full neck bridge, which is unsupported with the hands. So we can come up with the fingertips on. When we're ready, we take the hands away and we support through that position. Moving on from there, we can go through some back neck work. So the back neck, again, same position, except we're just on the back of the neck. Obviously, what we want to do is make sure that the neck muscles are completely open to work. So what we want to do is make sure that we're just having the head on the bench and that the neck muscles are free. And we want to try and keep as straight of a posture here as possible. Squeezing through the glutes, making sure that the body is nice and supported. And there we'll get some work on the back neck muscles. Two alternatives that we can do, which aren't in the video. First of all, what we can do if we need to progress this drill is we can just add a weight plate or a dumbbell in the hands. So you can hold on to a weight plate in the hands here to add more load going through the body, or if you need to support it, what we can do is we can set this setup inside a rack, and we can basically then put a band from either the pull-up bar or from a bar above you, so that we have a band down here, and I can hold on to the band to support my weight. And yeah, that is back neck bridge and the front neck bridge.